guys, we are going to make some hot cross buns today. Perfect Easter treat, and I can't wait to show you how to make them because they're so easy. All we need for our hot cross buns are just a few ingredients. Most importantly, we need some nice raisins and some mixed spice because you want to get some really lovely flavour out of these. So let's get started by putting in our yeast and our milk and warm them up nicely to create a lovely atmosphere. Let's start by putting in our milk and our yeast, which we're going to warm up in our Thermomix for a good 2 minutes just to get a really nice atmosphere going. And I also add in my sugar straight away. The sugar and the yeast like each other a lot, so it's going to create a lovely atmosphere for my brown sugar. Let's go. Now we're going to drop in our flour, and I use strong white bread flour because it's the best flour to use for nice bread rolls. There you are. And then we're going to go for one egg. I use large eggs. Go for some butter. Ideally it is brought to room temperature for just about half an hour before you're making it, but you don't have to do that, it's fine. If you have them, you can handle it. Some salt. Salt enhances the flavour, and because we're making hot cross buns, we're going to go for some sultanas or raisins and 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. Just going to drop that right in. If you like it a bit stronger, add a little bit more. I don't like it too strong. I'm going to knead it for 2 minutes and I'll see you once it's done. The kneading is finished and I'm going to show you how this lovely hot cross bun dough looks. That is what it should look like now. And we're going to leave this for a good hour or 2, depending on the warmth of your kitchen, until it's double in size, and then I'm going to show you how to make these lovely little rolls. Our dough has been proving for about an hour and a half now, and it's really nice and cozy and warm. And this is what it looks like once it's done. Look at that, it's nicely proved, and we can shape it into some balls now. Let's tip out our dough onto our surface. If you want, you can lightly flour your surface, but this dough is pretty easy to handle. And then we're just going to cut out nice bits, depending on how large you like your hot cross buns. I'm going to make mine about this size. I'm just going to take your hands and shape it into a nice tense ball. And you're going to place it onto your baking tray lined with greaseproof paper, or if you're lucky like me, I've got this awesome non-stick paper. Don't worry, you can get that via the link below as well. And you're going to leave that on there, and we're going to repeat that until we're done. Now that we've shaped our buns, we're just going to leave them covered to rise for another hour or so until they've doubled in size, and then we're going to make our flour paste to finish them off. I'm just going to make us a flour paste, and it's quite simple. You don't even need a mixing bowl for that. I just use a normal bowl. I'm going to go for 4 tablespoons of flour, and then I'm going to go for 4 tablespoons of water. And I just sometimes add a little bit more water just to make sure that that paste has the right consistency. That's why I do it by hand, because I just want to quickly mix it, get the right consistency, and then I can go for it. It should have the consistency of very thick, pipeable custard. Now I'm just going to take my spatula and I'm going to fill this flour mixture into a piping bag. I've just prepared it for myself. You can literally just put it on top of a glass, so it's quite easy then to pipe it and to actually fill it. Okay, so we've got our finished hot cross buns here, and they look amazing, and I'm literally just going to go over with my piping bag and give them some nice crosses. I'm going to start with one line, go nice and quick, not too slowly, because it's easier that way. Off you go. And then you're going to go across. And then you're done. Once it's piped, we're going to take it straight into the oven, and then we're going to bake it really nicely, probably about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, until they're nicely golden brown. And we're going to finish them off with some apricot jam to give that perfect glaze. We are finished with our hot cross buns, and I love them because they're so nice and they smell beautiful. All I do now is take a little bit of apricot jam and literally, while they're still warm, spread it over. You don't have to do this, but right out of the oven, if you spread this apricot jam over, it sets nicely and gives it a beautiful, really nice colour, and of course it tastes amazing. I'm so excited to tuck in, so let me just break one off. Yes, that is a beauty. It's actually something I've only become used to eating when I came to the UK because this does not exist in Germany. But you know what? It's pretty damn good. And I'm just going to tuck right in and show you that wonderful inside. Look at that. It's still steamy. Toasted, pop some butter on and eat it, and have the leftovers as a hot cross bun and butter pudding. How nice is that? Without further ado, let's get eating. Wow. It's still quite warm. But guess what? That's a pretty good, wow. I'm just gonna keep enjoying this and sign off. You can go and make those, and definitely be sure to use those leftovers to make an amazing dessert at Easter time. And follow me for more amazing videos on my YouTube channel.